Hello fellow traders, this is Paul Limmel and got another deuterium trade here. Again, we don't have many of these high quality setups. Now this is not the highest quality setup because it has a lot of overhead supply, but it's pretty distant, and this stock has had a couple years, practically almost 3 years, confirming those that support down in that $3 to $6 area. And it's bounced pretty strong off of that 2.2 BMI coming off that vector of 1. And we get our Cat 3 setup it broke out of back here at the $10 psychological price point. And we're right at the 1250 area. Would not be surprised to see a curl back retest the TM2 cycle line. But once it gets rolling, again, this is distant overhead supply, so it shouldn't hold it back too much. And pharmaceutical companies, if it has good tailwinds based on news, this thing could definitely fly. So again, 2.2 BMI. Let's just look at the cycle lines, channel lines. Basically right there you got the CH3 set. Let's go ahead and put a line right there. So it's right at the north channel right now. So if we did a next channel on it, probably going to be up in that, let's do another channel. Probably going to be up to the $22 area or so. And again, if this thing starts rolling, it no telling how far it can go. It can also go back and challenge those original IPO highs. Again, depends what the story is behind it. But right now it looks pretty good coming off of the CH3 confirmation inside of the cup. Anytime you have a strong TM2 set taking out that prior pivot high, usually it holds on a retest of the channel, TM2 channel. So would not be surprised again to curl back and maybe test down to that $12 area. But looks like it can definitely has the power to target that upper channel or the X channel on it. So keep an eye. SPRY-ARS Pharmaceuticals